Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Kumusta po kayo? Nararanasan niyo ba na palaging hinahanap mo yung stapler mo, yung ballpen mo, yung mga gamit mo? Nararanasan mo ba na pagod ka na sa kakahanap sa mga hinahanap mo na araw-araw naman ay ginagamit mo? Ang tanong na to ay may kaugnayan sa topic natin ngayon. Paano mo babaguhin yung buhay mo sa pamamagitan ng pagkontrol ng isip mo? Ako nga pala si Rosalie Dagsa, isang entrepreneur, and I am also facing these time management struggles that may you are also experiencing. Through my through my journey, i-share ko din sa inyo ang na-discover ko yung mga powerful approach na nag-transforms ng ability ko to manage time, not only myself but in all of my entire life. So today, I'm so excited to share with you the insights, yung mga insights. Struggling ka ba sa time management? Hirap ka ba pag manage ang oras mo sa isang araw? Busy dito, busy dun, trabaho dito, trabaho dun, trabaho dito, trabaho dun. So, time management is common goals in all of professionals, entrepreneurs, lahat nagtrabaho, lahat ng nanay sa bahay, daily works, daily routine, like the constant pressure to perform all of our duties, to meet deadlines. So, kahit wala kang trabaho, mas mahirap pa kung nasa bahay ka lang kasi mas dami mong trabaho doon. Ang dami mong responsibility doon. Responsible for your plants, for your babies, for your food, for your husband. So, everything. No? And this is very common to us for struggling. How to balance our personal life and how to switch out and to stress out. So, I've been there. Kung ikaw, kung ikaw nito na nag-struggle, naranasan ko yan. Maiintindihan kita. And I know how it feels to be overwhelmed by the demands of daily life. Napakahirap talaga. Sobrang hirap. Sobrang hirap talaga. Kasi I know all of us want to be productive of the whole day. So, what is the solution of this problem? Kung problema mo to, naging problema ko rin to. So, ngayon, i-share ko sa iyo kung anong solution ng problem na to. The key to mastering time management lies in the mind of management. Dito. Walang iba. Dito. Di mo na kailangan magbakasyon. Di mo na kailangan mag-loan para magbakasyon sa ibang lugar. Magbakasyon ng Boracay, magbakasyon ng Thailand. No. No. Kailangan mo sa sarili mo. Kailangan mo mag-retreat sa sarili mo. And what's the retreat? Ang una mong i-reset yung sarili mo. And that's mind management. So again, ang solution is mind management. By shifting your focus from simply i-manage mo yung mga task na nasa mindset mo. Nasa mindset mo. Of course, busy ka kasi may mindset ka, di ba? So, kailangan mong i-focus at saka i-mindset mo na kailangan meron kang mga priorities to create more effective and sustainable approach to productivity. So, this involves setting clear priorities. Yun ang sinasabi ko. I-clear mo yung priority mo isang araw. Diyos ko, Lord. wag mong pansinin yung mga trabaho na wala sa priority mo. Hindi siya importante. Kailangan mong i-prioritize. So, develop mental resilience and staying focused on what truly matters. No? Kasi napansin ko yung iba, busy pero hindi naman siya productive. So, anong ibig sabihin ng productive? Yung accomplishment mo within that day na very important siya. Okay, so what will happen kung marunong ka na sa time management and mind management? Of course, meron siyang transformation. So, ano yung transformation niya? So, what's your transformation? Marunong ka na multitasking. Very easy na sa'yo yung multitasking. Actually, ang daming nagsasabi na ang multitasking daw is a productivity killer. No. For me, I'm sorry. I could really, I strongly disagree with that. Depende yan. It depends how you manage your time. Diba? So, sabi nila for multitasking daw is a result of low quality. No, hindi. No. Hindi yan totoo. Multitasking, when done correctly, it can be your powerful tool. Sort mo yan to be a better person. This is a secret to differentiate between productive multitasking of your good life. Switching your, being transformative life. So, if if you are if you know how to if you know how multitasking task, grabe yung activities and combine compatible task na marunong ka na mag-combine, and of course you can maximize your efficiency without compromising quality. Wala ka nang ma-compromise na quality kasi marunong ka. And what are the challenges of multitasking? Kasi ang dami mo nang nagawa, ang dami mo nang responsibility kasi ang galing mo nang mag-multitasking from your own mind management. Ito na. Ito yung pinaka kalaban ko. What's my enemy? My real enemy is emotional burnout. Pag marami kang na-accomplish within that day at marami ka nang namamanage, of course, mag-emotional burnout ka. And it's normal kasi tao lang tayo. It's really normal and it's a real challenge to us, many of us facing today. It's the result of prolonged stress, and it can significantly impact your mental and physical health. No? And recognizing the signs of burnout and early, it's implementing strategies to mitigate crucial maintaining and well-being. Normal yan. Anong gawin mo pag meron kang emotional burnout? Simple. Nasa sayo lang din yan. Nasa sarili mo. It's already within you. All you have to do is to practice within yourself. The solutions is within you. Simple. Motivational setbacks. Relax lang. Relax. Mag-check-in sa Isla Haruhay. Sure. Mag-retreat. Take a walk, an exercise. Relax lang. Use setbacks as opportunities to learn and grow. Rest para makapag-isip naman ng maganda and grow. Build resilience and maintaining positive mindset can help you bounce back stronger and more determined. Parang eagle. Ang eagle pag napapagod siya, pag nagkasakit yung eagle, pag na-stress siya, pahinga lang siya. And then, bounce back siya. Pagbalik niya, paglipad, napakataas na. Kung kano kababa yung pagbaba niya, pagka ano niya, ganun din kataas. Sobrang resilient si Eagle. Lahat ng solutions ng problem natin is within us. Kailangan lang natin affirm, i-affirm lahat-lahat ng mga solutions. This is the most powerful solutions come from within, I believe. By tapping your inner sources, kailangan lang natin dito find strength and clarity kung anong mga obstacle niya kailangan natin kunin yung mga obstacle niya, and cultivate lang natin yung self-awareness. Dapat aware tayo sa self natin. Kung sobra na, hindi na kaya sa self natin, again, anong sabi ko, pag emotional burnout ka na, just relax lang, and bounce back stronger. Just setback, simple setback. Kung meron kang failures, just setback, simple as that, setback. Tapos navigate mo yung mga challenges mo. Again, true happiness is within us. No? True happiness is within us. It's not dependent on external factors. Wala yan sa mga external factors, but it's in us. It's internal faction, lahat ng fulfillment natin. Okay? I'm sorry, I'm so tired now. Oh my God. Dahil dito sa multitasking. And if you found this video helpful, please recommend the MCF Solution Hub, the problem solver in terms of document, services, and legalities. So, lahat-lahat ng mga documents nyo, like transfer, PSE, online, NBI, what else, business permit, registration, lahat-lahat ng kailangan mo, mga online, mga personal, like corporation, lahat-lahat ng mga documents, legalities, kung meron kang priorities, you can recommend sa mga kaibigan mo na naghahanap ng mga problem solver documents na nag-assess service provider. So, recommend DAM CF Consultancy, um, the problem solver in terms of documents, services, and legalities. Problem solver yan. Thank you for watching, and here's to a more productive and joyful life. So, kung nagustuhan nyo, paki-like po, and comment down kung ano pang gustong next topic ninyong malalaman. So, thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Yun lang. Bye.